here. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Ma'am, look here. Correct.
अपनी जगह वो है, वो अपनी जगह, सब अपनी जगह। Let's all before you, let's everybody.
Send me the
I'll
link.
move here.
I'll be uploading it all on social media.
Right.
So then tag me, no?
Center, center.
Look center. Look center.
That's better.
Next profile next.
Ma'am, इधर.
Done? And one group picture of Sonia, Gopal.
Yeah, all of you, yeah.
Anyone who wants it through their phones, they can give their phones to these people who are helping us with the pictures, and they can click the pictures for all of us. Thank you.
Yeah, all of you, yeah.
Come in the picture, whoever it is, come.
Well, my paintings are all based on abstractions. So abstract is a kind of visual art that you have to look and enjoy the painting and feel what you actually get connected to the painting. So I don't like, bounding one person into a particular subject or a topic, but I would love that you explore my painting, explore the colors, explore the strokes, and enjoy each and every painting here.
Being a part of creative medium is not easy task, and being a painter is not suddenly easy. So, what really motivates you to become a painter, and who is the supporting factor in your family or friends who really supports you in this venture?
Yeah, so my husband is my most supporting person in the family. The entire family is definitely very supportive. But my husband's main role, because the moments I give it to my paintings, the 8 hours, 12 hours, 10 hours, whatever, my husband and my kids have to sacrifice those timings. So there where my family, my husband, my kids are really helpful to me, that they really motivate me that you enjoy your painting, you do your painting, and this is the best creativity you're getting out from it.
And as far as my knowledge is concerned, you are associated with Bollywood as such. I mean, what way you are associated and this big
Well, there are many Bollywood stars who have acknowledged my painting. They have loved my painting. They'll be liking my painting. So people have given me this name that she's a celebrity artist. Yes.
nowadays women empowerment is a big issue on this subject as such. How you want to bring a change in the society through your paintings that can also create a woman empowerment?
Yes, that I would just say that woman is actually already empowered. The only thing is the woman has to see their own self. That me time you have to take out by your own self, and that can best help is the form of art, because art कुछ भी हो सकता है, whether you do paintings on canvas, you do a book writing, or you do some sculpturing, or you make a pot making, or whatever. आप घर बैठ के आप कुछ भी art create कर सकते हो. Creative thinking, creative writing, creative painting, anything. It all falls into a painting category. So I would suggest every woman that everybody has a family, but do take some time from that family of your me time and create something which is there within, lying and dying inside. So usko jagrut karo.
And what is your larger than life dreams? Because the dreams are not limited as such. You must be, showcasing your painting exhibition in India, abroad as such. So can you just elaborate what you are doing?
Yes, so far now I have been exhibiting India and internationally both. For future plans are also that I have some plans of doing auctioning in London, in Hong Kong maybe, and a lot of events I want to do. I want to do a lot of things for orphanage also. So yeah, piling up things day by day. Big dreams are waiting for them to come true.
मैं भी जानना चाहूँगा कि हालांकि वुमेन जो है हर क्षेत्र में सफल हो रही है, लेकिन महिला सुरक्षा को लेकर एक बड़ा विषय होता है, और जब से मोदी गवर्नमेंट है आपको लगता है कि जो एक आम औरत है उसकी स्थिति में सुधार हुआ है अगर देखा जाए तो सुरक्षा के हिसाब से या अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ के हिसाब से देखा जाए तो
In that case, I would just say one thing, that government every time change होने वाली है. अभी BJP है तो कल और कोई आएगा कुछ भी. I would say one individual has their own life. So be self-independent and be a self-defensor. A woman can do everything. You can support yourself. So focus on that instead of being that kind of, oh, I cannot do that. You can do everything. Just focus on it.
आप खुद एक इंस्पिरेशन हो, क्या कहना चाहूँगी क्या ऑब्स्टिकल्स आता है या क्या स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है अगर कोई और अचीव करना चाहती है, क्योंकि देयर आर लॉट ऑफ ऑब्स्टिकल्स, बहुत सारे ऑब्स्टिकल्स होते हैं, बहुत सारे स्ट्रगलिंग फैक्टर्स होते हैं जो कि गुजरना पड़ता है लाइफ में.
हाँ जी, दैट इज़ सभी को पता है कि एक वुमेन से ही घर चलता है. बच्चे हो, बीवी हो, इन-लॉज हो या घर हो, जो भी हो एक वुमेन से होता है. सो इफ़ यू कीप योर सेल्फ ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, देन आई थिंक थिंग्स विल रियली फॉल ईजी. There are circumstances do come in between, but just keep yourself in a patient mode and everything falls good in place. Yes, I would definitely, if I'm making a portrait, then I would definitely paint Mr. Bachchan ji. That's a dream, whenever I would get a chance. Yeah.
और पेंटिंग के माध्यम से आप एक बदलाव ला सकते हैं, अवेयरनेस क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, तो ऐसा कोई मौका मिला तो क्या ऐसा विषय रहेगा जिसके माध्यम से आप दिखा चाहेंगे कि समाज में एक बदलाव आ सकता है? रिमेनिंग इशूज, बहुत सारे ऐसे इशूज हैं.
हाँ, लेकिन इसमें मैं एक ही चीज़ बोलना चाहूँगी कि एवरी लिटिल गर्ल, मोटिवेट देम टू स्टडी, let them be self-dependent, and let them come out in the world, because today is Women's and Girls' Day.
Besides that, I mean, this compliment from my side. You have a good look at that. You can be a part of the industry. Acting is something which you inspire in the future, or you have done.
No plans for any acting or anything in future. My only target is to paint, take care of my family, and really help to the society back. Thank you so much.
मैम इधर. हाँ, इसके देखो. थैंक यू. कैमरा तेरे में जूम नहीं है क्या कैमरे में? लुक हियर. थैंक यू.
I think personally art and books go together very well, and that's the reason कि हमने ये plan करा event together, because she is a celebrity artist, Krupa Shah, and Sonia Golani is a celebrity author. So इन दोनों का combination बहुत अच्छा था. तो रतिका और हमने सोचा कि इसको collaborate करके एक बहुत अच्छा proper सा event हम करते हैं, organize around the two celebrities, and we both got together and collaborated.
Actually Women's Day अभी कल ही था, और आइडिया ये था कि वुमेंस डे सिर्फ 8 मार्च तक क्यों रिस्ट्रिक्टेड होना चाहिए. आई थिंक ये हम सारी औरतों की प्रॉब्लम है कि सिर्फ एक दिन पे हमको क्यों इतना महत्व मिलता है. तो हमने सोचा इसको कंटिन्यू किया जाए, और वुमेंस डे पे ही हम लोग फेलिसिटेट करें जो जो अचीवर्स हैं, बिकॉज कृपा ने अपने फील्ड में बहुत कामयाबी पाई है, सिमिलरली सोनिया ने अपने फील्ड में बहुत कामयाबी पाई है। तो हमारा आइडिया यही था कि इस दिन एक दिन बाद है चाहे, बट इन सबको फेलिसिटेट किया जाए। और आई थिंक यही जो एक्चुअली वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट बोलते हैं, जिन्होंने कुछ अचीव किया है, आई थिंक दे आर द लिविंग एग्जांपल्स ऑफ इट।
एक बहुत अच्छा आइडिया था फ्रॉम रतिका टू डू समथिंग लाइक दिस, and I happen to be a luxury consultant and I consult all people related to luxury only. So we thought it's a good combination and that's why the event was put up.
Absolutely.
क्रिएटिव मीडियम में शादी होना ये बुक बनाना आसान नहीं होता है। खासकर पेंटिंग की बात करें तो व्हाट इज द थिंग व्हिच रियली इंस्पायरिंग यू रिगार्डिंग दिस पेंटिंग?
That I think
Krupa is
the right person to answer this.
I am an artist, but what are the viewers' view?
आपके व्यूज क्या हैं इसके बारे में?
Viewers' view.
I think what I have known since I have been a consultant with Krupa for long, that she is a very spiritually evolved human being and इनके आर्ट वर्क में भी आपको वो स्पिरिचुअलिटी का फैक्टर कहीं ना कहीं दिखेगा। एंड ये काफ़ी अच्छा काम कर रही है आर्ट वर्ल्ड में, इन्होंने लंदन में शोज़ करे हैं, ये चैरिटी के लिए भी करती हैं काफ़ी काम। एंड आई थिंक शी इज़ डूइंग ग्रेट एंड शी इज़ गोइंग टू गो प्लेसेस एंड माई बेस्ट विशेज़ टू हर फॉर फ्यूचर एज वेल।
ऑल्सो कृपा एक ऐसी आर्टिस्ट हैं जो बहुत ही इन्होंने अपने तरीके में बहुत कामयाबी पाई है, लेकिन उस हिसाब से बहुत लो प्रोफाइल रही हैं। वो इन्होंने कभी अपने काम की बड़ाई खुद नहीं की है, इन लोगों ने इनके काम की बड़ाई की है। आई थिंक दैट इज़ द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट हर वर्क। और इनका एक बहुत ऑनेस्टी है इनके काम में, एंड आई थिंक दैट reflects through her paintings.
Being in office also not easy task, but what a book as such? What is the content?
Book actually Sonia has written. I have, yeah.
Still, what is your view on the book as such?
So Sonia has written again. जैसे मैं Women's Day की बात कर रही थी, Sonia has covered. She has a book called Corporate Divas, where she has covered women from different walks of life, from the banking sector to the industrial sector. So जितनी भी women achievers रही हैं, I think उनकी बुक 18 ऐसी औरतों पे आधारित है जिन्होंने अपनी लाइफ में बहुत कामयाबी, एक मैंस वर्ल्ड जिसको बोलते हैं, जो एक मैंस डोमेन माना जाता है, उससे उस डोमेन में उन्होंने अपनी कामयाबी पाई है। तो इसीलिए सोनिया की जो बुक थी कॉर्पोरेट डीवास, और जो हमारा ये कॉन्सेप्ट था मार्टिनी क्वींस का भी, मार्टिनी क्वींस एक्चुअली नाम भी इसलिए रखा गया क्योंकि आई थिंक हम सारी जितनी भी विमेन हैं अनफॉर्चुनेटली दो तरीक़ों में कैटेगराइज हो जाती हैं। एक होती है अच्छा मॉडर्न है तो बहुत चालू होगी, नहीं तो घरेलू होनी चाहिए। बट आज की जो औरत है वो अपने घर को और अपने काम को उतनी ही अच्छी तरह और उतनी ही ऑनेस्टी से संभाल लेती है। तो इसलिए मार्टिनी क्वींस एज एन एग्जीबिशन हमने ये डिसाइड किया कि इन सब लेडीज़ को इकट्ठा किया जाए।
और ऑल्सो लाइक अभी वो काफ़ी बिजी हैं सोनिया गोलानी, बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ पीपल वांट टू मीट हर एंड टॉक टू हर अबाउट द बुक। So she's also written a book called What After Money and Fame. She's a celebrity author of 4 books by now. तो काफ़ी अच्छा उन्होंने राइटिंग में अपना नाम कमाया है एंड आगे भी आई एम श्योर बहुत अच्छा करने वाले हैं, सोनिया गोलानी भी, कृपा शाह भी।
थैंक यू।
Compared to the achievement as such, what is the book really all about? What is the content and what are you going to showcase to the people regarding the book you?
Yeah. So I've written 4 books so far. My first book is Corporate Divas. It was published by Penguin, which is the topmost publishing house in the country today. And this book is about 18 women business leaders, their professional and personal journeys and the challenges that women face in reaching the top. So this book is basically very inspirational book for women and also for men who are wanting to make a career in the corporate world. So, and after this I wrote this book which is My Life, My Rules. It is a book which is published by Westland and which is an Amazon company now. And this book is about unconventional careers where the book focuses on following your heart, your passion. So there are people who have possibly pursued a PhD in environment or in microbiology, but they have gone and done what they are passionate for. Like somebody's become a chef, or someone is a music person like Rahul Ram, or a chef like Rahul Akerkar, or Mr. Manohar Parrikar, who's the Chief Minister of Goa. He's also covered in this book. And there's Harsha Bhogle, who's the TV commentator. So how from an IIM grad, how he became a TV commentator. All the stories, Aditi Govitrika's story is there in this book. So basically 18 such stories are there in this. Amongst the Bollywood people, there is the story of Madhavan is also covered in this book. So this book basically, anybody who is very talented in a certain area, whether it can be music or food or politics, and is wanting to plunge into that field. So I think it gives a lot of courage to people to understand what their talents are and to pursue it for their long-term happiness. That's the book about.
Being an author is not an easy task. Being
Yes.
a painter is also not an easy task. Look at the painting, so innovative. What kind of comment on the painting as such, and how it inspired people along?
Yeah, I think it is a creative activity, whether writing a book or painting. So mostly when you want to just give something new to the world, these are the things that you take to. Either you take to writing, or if you have a talent, you go for music and you try new things. And art is also something in that category where you express yourself. She expresses herself through her paintbrush, and I express myself through a pen, you know, or through a keyboard, as you can say, through writing. So in that way, I think it is a creative instinct which takes us into fine arts like this, and we like to absorb. It's our journeys. So she expresses, whatever she absorbs about the world through her paintings, and what I absorb about my world, what interests me, I express it through my books. And that's what the journey is captured in the books, whether because I had a recruitment firm, so I was interested in, and also being a woman, I wanted to know the challenges which women like Chanda Kochar or women like, Preeta Reddy of Apollo Hospitals, how their journeys have been. And and also the interest basically, after you have studied one subject, then you want to move on to the next. So after writing these two books, then since I'm based in Bombay, and it was 100th year of Bollywood, which 2013 was celebrating. So keeping that, I wrote about 15 Bollywood directors in this book, which is Decoding Bollywood. And through their journeys, how the whole Bollywood functions is also captured very well in this book. So that's what this book brings to you. And once you've written about the corporate world, you've written about the entrepreneur startup world, you've written about Bollywood, then what remains? It's like, whoever has reached pinnacle of their careers. So people who are maybe billionaires or who are top lawyers or top doctors, how do they view the world after they've reached the top? And how do they still remain motivated? So my book, What After Money and Fame, covers this subject, where there are 4 billionaires who are covered in this book, which is Adi Godrej, Anu Aga, Ajay Piramal, Narayan Murthy. So these are the people, and amongst the art and field of literature, Mr. Javed Akhtar is there. So it's their perspective on life, that how do you motivate yourself, how do you commit yourself to society, how do you give back, what is philanthropy all about. So those are the stories that this book covers.
Also, since it's a luxury event, I happen to be a luxury consultant. We thought, even Krupa's artworks have been bought by a lot of Bollywood stars. So Decoding Bollywood, Sonia's book written by Sonia, Ratika and we thought together to put it up as a nice event. So that was the idea behind it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
मैम आप लोग हाँ बस मैम यहाँ पे देखिए सब लोग मैं वालों के यार यहाँ पे देखिए मैम रुकिए मैम यहाँ पे देखिए मैम यहाँ पे देखिए